You listen to me, Isaac. Listen, Dick, it's not my fault you got robbed. Not my fault. I had nothing to do with it. Nothing. You understand? I'm on a cell phone, you jerk. Oh, you want me killed? Oh, yeah? Screw you! I'm done with you. You understand? I'm finished. No, you know what? I ain't even started yet, you thieving fuck! I'm in shit because of you, you piece of sh... Hello? Hello? Go ahead! Open your mouth, asshole! Push your fucking luck!
Ray!
What the fuck do you want?
You told me to come.
Well, sorry. Having a bad fucking day.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Me too. Fuck it. Fuck it. That curly-haired leech is gonna talk! Go shut that stooge up!
Shut who up?
Isaac! The diamond dealer! He's blaming me for everything. Everything! Even the shit we didn't do! Now I got no money, no diamonds, and his dick's threatening to have me killed. Blaming me because he got robbed.
Okay, so?
He's holed up in the Majestic with a couple of his cronies. Go shut those fuckers up.
No problem.
Hey, can I get a coffee, please?
Alright everybody, what's going on? Kasam says it here, bringing you some more Grand Theft Auto 4 main story missions. This is the mission called Late Checkouts. So yes, you have to head to this this hotel where his enemies are and basically take them all out. Hence, shut them all up. So this hotel is basically just really pretty close by this hotel, but you just have to drive there. I'm gonna skip all of that. But anyway, here's the hotel, and just enter this. Just enter it. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, so there's your hint. Find your way into the penthouse suite. So, just go and use the elevator. Simple as that. So, there are actually two ways to enter this building to get to your enemies. One is to either take the elevator, or two, get a helicopter and start from the roof. That's only two ways you could start. But anyway, since you're here, I'm not gonna, there's no nearby helicopters really. So I'll just head up to here to start from the bottom to the top and take out all of these guys as soon as you get out of the elevator. So of course, oh look at this guy. So basically just make use of the cover, take them all out, and of course this mission does require, it is a lot of shooting that goes on. So it is recommended that you enter this mission with full armor and full health. You don't have to worry about ammo, because as soon as these guys die, they'll drop their weapon. So that's it. So you just have to be careful, watch out there. Now there's another guy to the right, that arsehole. Take him out. Check this guy. Oh yeah. Now something like that. Now you had to make your way upstairs. As you can see on the minimap showing where your enemies are, which is upstairs. So you just had to head upstairs. Go through this door. Now there are more enemies will be coming to your here it is. There's this guy. There'll be another guy. To the left. The right.
Don't kill me.
Through this double door will be your first enemy. First guy to take out. No, not really. But anyway, yeah, just go through all this place. There's tons of more dudes here. Take him out. Use the sofa. I would recommend to use the sofa as your cover. I really was using the door as a cover, but of course it blocks out my peripherals. I can't see as much. So take him out. Always checking. Always checking. Left, down, up, right. See any more enemies? Any more? Nope. Don't see any more. Now just enter this kitchen. Now this is your first target.
You harbinger of death. Don't you kill me!
execute him or whatever you like. So I'm gonna bring out my shotgun. That's what I like. Headshot that guy and kaboom. If you're low on health, of course, there's the health pack just right there next to that guy. So as soon as you enter, just go up here to the left. There's another guy here.
Get out of here, you stupid bitch!
There he is. We can take him out. There he is. Simple. Take him out. I believe he didn't have any weapons actually, but it's good to take him out. Now this last guy is up on the roof, and there are more of these bodyguards. Taking him out. Oh, there it is. Took him out through the window. See, I just took him out using the auto aim. So yeah, pretty cool stuff. Now of course, as soon as you kill that guy, you will attract a 2-star wanted level, and as you're leaving, there'll be more bodyguards who will try to stop you. So you just have to watch out. Look, just look at my health already. Wow, almost died. So I thought, I saw my health at this point. I thought, nah, I'm not risking it. Let's go out to the kitchen and pick up the health pack. Oh yeah. Alright, now let's make our way out. Just call this bad boy. Just making sure any surprise enemies will probably come out, which I doubt anyway. And then that's it. That's it now. The simple thing is now, just leave the building and get out of the area. Right? Simple. Get out of the area and just try to lose the 2-star wanted level, but it's really, you don't have to do that. Just get out of the area. Simple as that. And that's it. Mission passed. $11,000. That's it. Uncle Sam says there. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'm out. Peace.
I shut Isaac up for you. I feel like all I've been doing is shutting people up ever since this diamond thing started.
Well, we ain't got the diamonds, and we don't know where they are. Johnny, that biker scumbag, has disappeared with the money. And every other mouth that came close to those diamonds is closed for good. Except for yours, that is. You gotta be grateful for that.
Screw you, Ray. I ain't your cleanup guy no more. You get that?
Alright, Nicky, alright. Don't both forget about respect or nothing. He's still just another straight off the boat punk. It can get real scary if you don't got friends. You remember that.